Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website wireframe. A wireframe serves as a foundational blueprint, visually representing your website's structure and layout. It focuses on the core elements like content placement, navigation, and functionality, deliberately omitting visual design details such as colors or fonts. This early-stage tool helps define the information hierarchy and user interface, ensuring everyone understands the site's purpose before significant design work begins. It's a crucial step for gathering initial feedback. When creating a wireframe, focus on essential components. You'll typically include a header, footer, and the main navigation menu to guide users. Use simple boxes or shapes as placeholders for images, text blocks, and interactive elements like forms or sliders. Clearly define where your primary call-to-action buttons will reside, ensuring they are prominent. Also, consider content areas, sidebars, and search bars to complete the structural overview of each page. There are several effective ways to create wireframes. Many designers start with simple paper sketches, which allow for rapid ideation and quick adjustments. For more detailed and shareable versions, digital tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Balsamiq are excellent choices. These tools help maintain precision and consistency. Always employ a grid system to ensure elements are aligned and spaced correctly, providing a professional and organized layout. Remember to iterate frequently based on feedback. To create truly effective wireframes, adhere to a few best practices. First, always prioritize functionality and the user experience above visual aesthetics. The goal is structure, not beauty. Second, label all elements clearly, using descriptive text for buttons, images, and sections to prevent any confusion for reviewers. Third, test your wireframes with a small group of target users to gather invaluable insights. Finally, document all design decisions and user flows for clear communication and future reference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.